You might be wondering, what is the Robinhood instant transfer fee? So I guess there's some good news. When you do an instant transfer deposit, there is no fee. So if you're transferring money from your bank account to your Robinhood account, there's no fee. If you want to withdraw instantly, there is a small fee. It's a percentage. That percentage changes depending on the withdrawal amount. But when you set up that transfer, so like if we go to our account down to transfers, inside of here, if we were to transfer money, when you're setting up that transfer, so whether you're going from your bank account to Robinhood or Robinhood to your bank account, we'll do withdrawal. So we'll do from Robinhood, and then we'll select to our bank account. And if we just select like $2 or something, right? I can review that transfer. And then inside of here, you can see that I have the standard or the instant transfer. This instant transfer it's not going to be a $5 fee. It looks like it's actually just a $1 fee, but I have some numbers that are hidden on Robinhood so you don't see bank account numbers, etc. So you'll see the transfer fee because it does change depending on how much you're withdrawing on this instant transfer. There is no transfer fee though if you do a standard transfer, just if you do the instant transfer and only if you do an instant withdrawal. So that hopefully that covers it for you. No fee on instant deposits. There is a fee on instant withdrawal. No fee on standard withdrawal. And that's your instant transfer fees on Robinhood.